What if I told you that a cryptocurrency you've probably overlooked or maybe even completely written off could be quietly setting up for one of the most unexpected comebacks in crypto history? While the spotlight remains fixed on the usual suspects like Bitcoin and Ethereum, there's another player quietly stirring beneath the surface. A coin that once seemed like a gimmick, now showing signs of serious momentum. We're talking about Pi Network, a project that many dismissed, but that's now making waves again. The question is, could this be the next big crypto success story? Could Pi actually surge from less than $1 today to double, triple digits in the future? Stick around, because what we're about to uncover may not just challenge your expectations, it might flip them entirely. From surging volume and bullish technicals to an exploding community and real-world use cases, the pieces are coming together. And on top of that, there's a new token called BTC Bull that's quickly gaining traction by riding Bitcoin's price movements and even offering real BTC rewards to holders. This isn't hype. This is strategy. So buckle in. Let's take a deep dive into Pi Network, BTC Bull, and why now might be the moment to pay attention. Pi Network, or PI, has come roaring back into the conversation following a major roller coaster in the market. Earlier this month, the token took a harsh dive, falling nearly 50% to a low of 69 cents. Most coins wouldn't recover that fast. But PI did. In the past 24 hours alone, it's up 8%, and over the past month, it's surged more than 30%. Today, it's trading around 84 cents, and the chart looks increasingly bullish. But what's really caught people's attention is the trading volume. Daily volume has exploded by over 150%, hitting a massive $548 million. That level of volume suggests serious capital is starting to move in, and with that kind of momentum, breakouts often follow. Even though PI is still about 77% below its February all-time high of $2.99, the technical signals are now flashing green. Let's talk about those indicators. First off, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently hovering at 65. That's a key zone. It tells us that buying strength is climbing, but we haven't entered the overbought danger zone yet. That means there could still be significant room for more upside before we hit any meaningful resistance. Then there's the MACD Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which has just flashed a bullish crossover. The MACD line has pushed above the signal line, and green histogram bars are forming. For traders, that's a textbook signal of building bullish momentum. Momentum that, if it continues, could push PI into the next leg upward. Now, here's something really important. Pi has established a solid support level around 70 cents. That means it's bounced off that level multiple times, confirming it as a floor. And from that floor, it's formed a bullish trendline on the daily chart. This trendline. On the daily chart. This trendline, if it holds, suggests PI could be on track to test the psychological $1 resistance, a key level that could change the game entirely. Why is $1 such a big deal? Because once PI breaks through that, we're not just talking about a symbolic price point, we're looking at a catalyst that could unlock a wave of new buyers and push PI into a new price discovery phase. According to Fibonacci extension levels, if PI can break $1 cleanly, we could see price targets around $1.40, $1.85, and possibly even a retest of the previous high at $2.99. And if it breaks that level? Then we enter uncharted territory, the point where price is dictated by pure market demand and speculation. And that's where triple-digit prices, while ambitious, aren't completely out of the question in the long term. But price action and technical analysis are only part of the story. What makes PI truly interesting right now is the growth of its ecosystem. Unlike many coins that are purely speculative, Pi Network has been quietly building a user base for years. Millions of people around the world have been mining PI on their mobile phones, creating a massive community that's already invested in the success of the project. The team behind PI has been developing real use cases, including integration with merchant apps and decentralized services. The mainnet launch and increasing push for utility mean that this isn't just another token, it's a platform with potential for widespread adoption. And in crypto, adoption is everything. People often forget that the projects with staying power are the ones that solve real problems or deliver real-world value. With PI, we're seeing the foundation being laid for something that goes beyond speculation. And when that foundation is in place, the price usually follows. Now, while PI is building momentum from the ground up, there's another project that's riding a very different wave. The wave of Bitcoin's climb to new highs. It's called BTC Bull, or Bull, and it's capturing a ton of attention for its innovative reward system and aggressive growth. BTC Bull is an Ethereum-based token designed for long-term Bitcoin believers. It's already raised over $6.13 million in its ongoing pre-sale. But it's more than just hype. Here's what makes it interesting: it rewards holders with real Bitcoin. Every time Bitcoin's price increases by $25,000, BTC Bull initiates either a supply burn, making the token more scarce, or a new BTC airdrop to holders. That's a powerful incentive system. It aligns perfectly with Bitcoin's long-term growth while providing token holders with tangible benefits just for holding. On top of that, the project offers high APY staking and is backed by secure smart contracts on Ethereum. It's the kind of project that doesn't just ride hype, it builds a structure for long-term value. When you look at PI and BTC Bull side by side, you see two different paths to potential gains. One is rooted in community, mobile mining, and real-world use case development. The other is built on aligning with Bitcoin's macro trend and offering smart, incentive-driven tokenomics. But both are emerging at a time when the broader crypto market is showing signs of revival. And in crypto, timing is everything. A lot of people miss the big moves because they only start paying attention when it's already too late. The truth is, opportunities like these don't flash neon signs. They quietly grow in the background until one day, they explode into the mainstream. Now, a quick but important reality check: none of this is guaranteed. PI is still down massively from its all-time high. BTC Bull is still in pre-sale, which means it's early stage and carries risk. These aren't get-rich-quick plays. They require research, patience, and smart risk management. But the signs are there. The momentum is real. And if you're watching the crypto space right now, ignoring projects like PI or BTC Bull might be a mistake. So what do you think? Can Pi Network really hit $100? Is BTC Bull a hidden gem, or just another token in the crowd? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we want to hear your take. If this video gave you new insight or opened your eyes to a potential opportunity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a crypto update. Until next time, stay informed, stay sharp, and as always, stay bullish.